Casabella's Grate-N-Store rotary cheese grater comes with two photo-etched blades for grating both hard and soft cheeses simply and easily. An ergonomic rotary handle allows for enhanced comfort and convenience when grating cheese. To use the cheese grater, simply place cheese inside the chamber and turn the rotary handle. The grated cheese will accumulate in the storage container located at the bottom of the cheese grater. Twist off the bottom and the cheese is ready for use in recipes. The non-slip bottom doubles as a storage cap, so you can easily refrigerate the cheese for later use. Casabella's micro egg makes a perfect, delicious egg sandwich in as little as 60 seconds. Simply crack an egg into the unit, close the top over it, place it in your microwave, and set your microwave for 60 seconds. After cooking is finished, open the microwave and place the egg directly onto bread. Season it to taste and put another slice of bread over the egg for the perfect egg sandwich. Casabella's Peel and Slide double-sided peeler is a dual stainless steel blade peeler, one for hard skins and one for soft skins. Simply slide the non-slip ergonomic handle over the blade you need, and the blade locks securely into place and is ready for peeling. Peel and Slide also has eye removers on each side and is dishwasher safe. Available in 3 colors: blue, lime, and orange.